recall about previous sessions. We start from Shrikesh. What is the formula for subtractor?
That the input is subtracted from E to 2.
Okay, good. Next, Vishali. What is the formula for adder?
The V2 equal to V2 plus V1, where V2 is subtracted from added for V1.
So next one is Rahul. What is the function of comparator?
Comparator compares two input and gives three output and checks whether the output is greater than the other output or lesser than the output or both outputs are equal.
And half-wave rectifier. So it is a topic in LIC subject. So before that, in design thinking manner, we should follow the 5 stages, right? So what are the 5 stages in design thinking? Okay, so empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test it, right? So for this rectifier means, what are the empathic part? So without digital signal, we will struggle with accuracy, right? This is the one of the empathy. And next one is precision output will not get in analogy way, right? So next stage is define part. So define part means the multiple solutions. So what will we define the stages define part? So in previous empathy stages, we were struggling with accuracy, right? So in this define part, we have 3 types, that is full wave, half wave and bridge wave rectifiers. So these rectifiers is used in DC power supply. And next application is our mobile phone charger. So mobile phone chargers means it will take 230 volts and it will be converted to 5 volt power, right? So the crucial role of rectifier is converting that particular AC, that high voltage of particular AC signal is converted to 5 volt DC signal, right? So next one is the next stage is ideate part. So in this ideate part, we will select any one application from the 3 types. So I will select full wave rectifier. Okay, start karna. Okay. So in today's topic is precision rectifier. We all know that rectifier is converting AC signal to DC signal. So it's like it uses a filtering method to conversion. So this rectifier is classified into 3 types, that is full wave, half wave and bridge rectifier. In this topic we will discuss about half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So this is the diagram for full wave rectifier by using operational amplifiers. So here I use 2 inverting amplifiers and 2 diodes, that is D1 and D2, and 7 resistors for this connections. So initially I applied this is the input V, and here V out will be taken. So here I will apply the input signal, that is positive peak and negative peak. So while I apply positive signal, that is positive signal to this first amplifier, this amplifier 1 and this amplifier 2. So this amplifier 1 is an inverting amplifier because the non-inverting terminal is grounded. So this amplifier will amplify that positive signal into negative signal because of this negative sign, right? So this positive signal goes to D1 diode. The diode will be turned off because we applied positive signal to the diode and this is the cathode terminal is negative. So positive negative will goes to a off condition. So there is no signal passed through here. So this negative signal is passed to amplifier 2. So this amplifier 2 will be also enabled. So here also there is again negative signal produced. So I applied signal also negative. So plus into minus into minus is plus output. So that while applying a positive signal, I will get only positive peak. Second, I will apply negative voltage to the amplifier 1. So here I applied amplifier negative signal. The D1 will be enabled. That signal goes to the D2 diode. So the negative signal is applied to the circuit and D1 will be enabled, but D2 goes to off condition. So there is no connectivity through this R5. So in this connection, that is in this negative voltage passed through R4 resistor, that signal is given to the amplifier 2. So that amplifier 2 again negative and negative means it will produce positive output. So for this negative peak also we will get positive output. So this is the concept of full wave rectifier. So a rectifier means it converts a AC signal to DC signal. After filtering, this signal goes to like this, because this is the DC signal. Plan on activity. So in this activity, we just recall about our LIC subject. Okay. So from each team, I need one person. Okay. So and the person connect. Activity என்ன அப்படினா நான் ஒரு லெட்டர் சொல்றேன், ஒரு alphabetical லெட்டர் சொல்றேன். அந்த லெட்டர்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வேர்ட், அந்த வேர்ட் எதை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு, நம்ம சப்ஜெக்ட் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. சோ அத பத்தி நீ பேசினா போதும். ஓகேவா? ஒரு சும்மா ஒரு ரிலாக்சேஷனுக்காக தான். சோ இப்படி போயிடலாம். டீம் A, டீம் B, டீம் C, டீம் D and டீம் E. சோ டீம் A இல்லையா? சோ உனக்கான லெட்டர் வந்துட்டு I.
Our team select interrogator. It interrogator. Our team select interrogator. It interrogator given the value resistance, help of the resistance and capacitor within the produce of V naught is equal to minus 1 by RT interrogator routine.
P, the letter is O.
Team was selected in operation and amplifier. It is amplify the difference between the two input voltage. It is perform the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It is using for the two input signal and generate the one output. There is two types. One is inverting, another one is not inverting.
Good. Team C, double for team C, W.
We choose on W. W stands for wave generator. Wave generator generates sine, square, triangular, sawtooth.
Okay. Good. Team D is I.
We choose integrated circuit.
Okay.
It is a small electronic device that contains many circuits in a single semiconductor chip, which consists of two types: operational amplifier and analog multiplier.
Okay. Good. For team E, the letter is yes.
We have chosen summer and subtractor. Summer is adding of two inputs, and subtractor is difference of the input. It can be divided into inverting and non-inverting.
Okay. Good.